Hello students, do you sometimes come across this question and you're wondering what to do? I've seen quite a number of students, when they try to subtract such a number, take the lower number and they take away the top number. Now, let us learn how to do this correctly. And we are going to begin by understanding this number. So we have 198, take away 79. So the very first step is to identify the place value for each of these digits. And it is clear that digit 8 and digit 9 on the lower number are on the ones place value. So we can write ones there, or representing ones. And then we have digit 9 and digit 7 being in the tens column. Therefore, we are going to write T right there. And then we have digit 1 being in the hundreds column. Therefore, we are going to indicate H there to represent hundreds. Now, for this question, I want to teach you a poem that you can always use. And it goes like this. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, 0 is the game. Now, the part of the poem that we will use in solving this question is more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Why are we talking about getting 10 more? When you have a digit in the tens column, if we move that same digit to the ones column, it is 10 times. Therefore, if we borrow 110 from the tens column and bring it to the ones column, then we have borrowed a 10, because 110 is the same as 10 ones. The same case, if we would have gone to the hundreds column to borrow a digit or to borrow a number, then if we bring it to the tens, it means we are borrowing 10 tens, because 10 tens make 100. So back to our digit 8. 8 cannot take away 9 because 8 is smaller than 9. Therefore, we are going to move on to our tens column where we have 9 tens. And from the 9 tens, we will borrow 110. Therefore, I will cancel the 9. And in place of 9, we are going to be left with 8 tens. The 110, I am going to carry it over to the ones column. And when we bring it to the ones column, we are going to have 10 plus 8. Again, where did we get the 10 from? The 110 we borrowed from the tens column. When we brought it to the ones column, it became a 10. Because 110 is the same as 10 ones. So let's add our 10 ones to the 8 ones already here. And we are going to have our new number being 18. Therefore, in place of 8, we will cancel it out and have our new number, which is 18. We now have enough in the ones column to take away our digit 9. So we are going to subtract 18, take away 9. You can either subtract by counting backwards 9 steps from 18, and we are going to get 9. In our tens column, we were left with 8 tens. 8 tens, take away 7 tens, will be 110. Therefore, we write our 1 there. Remember to write each digit in the correct place value. In the hundreds column, we did not have a number in our lower number. So we are going to have 1, take away nothing, or take away 0, and it remains to be 1. And our answer is 119. Please remember, if you are subtracting a number in one of the place values and it is bigger than the number we are using to subtract, then remember, always go next door and borrow.